Hey guys, today we are going to be talking about my 8 personal top crochet tips for beginners. My number 1 tip, in the middle of a project, don't change hooks. If you start off with a 5mm, do not change to a 6, 7, or continued. Your project will turn out really wonky. Second tip, make swatches. Swatches are samples of the project that you're going to be using. For example, if you're going to be making a blanket out of double crochets with a certain type of yarn, your best bet as a beginner is to make a swatch out of double crochets and see if your yarn hook works with that particular yarn that you have chosen. Don't be afraid to try different types of hooks with different types of yarn. Find what's most comfortable for you and stick with it. Nothing helps better than practice. Practice, practice, practice. You'll come across stitches that you've never seen before, and so you'll have to work at them to master them. That's why swatches are so important. It's to practice those stitches that you've never seen before you start on a big project and you mess up on those stitches. Another tip I have is make friends with those who crochet. Whether it be in person, online, in a Discord, whatever you choose. The best way to get help is by asking someone else who also crochets. Try different yarns. There's so many to choose from. As a beginner, try the most basic yarns first and then branch out, but have fun with it. Try so many different types. You'll have so much fun. Also work on your tension. Tension is how tight your stitches are. Very last tip is don't be too hard on yourself. Even to this day, I still mess up. It's okay to mess up, to make mistakes, and to ask for help. You're not gonna be perfect right away, and that's perfectly fine.